Hello viewers, I'm that your friend, Reverend Father Michael Ubudu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about farming. Today we shall be discussing on a medication that is very important in your pig farming. A medication that should not be absent in your medication box when it comes to the medications of your pig. It's no other medication but multivitamin. Multivitamin is very important in your pig farming. If you want to really have a high productivity, a high good result, let me use that, a good result, then multivitamin should not be absent in your pig farm. Multivitamin helps a lot in so many ways. Multivitamin itself is very important, most especially now that we are having problem with the quality of feed that we give our pigs due to high cost of materials that we use in formulating their feed. Multivitamin helps a lot to supplement whatever is lacking in the quality of feed that we give to our pigs. Ordinarily, the pigs should be able to get multivitamin, vitamin I mean to say, from their diet. A well-balanced diet and also vegetable, fruits should be able to give these pigs them good vitamins. But sometimes these things are not available. So what are we going to do? And that is why multivitamin is very important in your farm. Multivitamin itself can be applied through injectable. You can also apply multivitamin. We have that of you put in the water of the drinker of the pigs. You can also have that whereby you apply it to the meal of the pig. But what I'm having here in my hand is that of injectable. Then multivitamin helps in different forms in the life of the pig. Like what I said, it helps in high productivity. Multivitamin itself helps to correct any deficiency in the body of the pig. Multivitamin also, it helps to increase the appetite of the pig. Multivitamin also helps the pig to be healthy. It helps to combat any sickness in the body of the pig. These are some of the functions of multivitamin in the body of the pig, and that is why I'm here to tell us that multivitamin should not be absent in your pig farm, most especially in your medication box. Multivitamin must be there all the time, and multivitamin can be applied monthly, every 4 weeks to your pig, so that they can be able to give you a high productivity, so that they can be able to look healthy. Their wool will be so bright, as you can see, because this is also how multivitamin helps. It helps to correct any deficiency. It helps to increase the quality of feed that they are eating. Once more, thank you very much for finding that time to listen to me. I remain that your friend, Reverend Father Michael Ubudu. Please continue to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Continue to like my Facebook, TikTok videos. Continue to follow me, my Facebook page. Continue to follow me also. I remain that your friend, Reverend Father Michael Ubudu. Thank you, and God bless you.
Yeah, I know. It's